Hello dear aspirant, this is Dr. Saurabh's class. We are solving the previous year questions from the statistics. So this question is telling us that let our x1, x2 and x6 be a random sample from a gamma distribution with the probability density function. So our PDF is f of x bar f of x del lambda, so that is my, yeah, so that is equals to what? This is my lambda to the power 4 by 6 e to the power minus lambda x, yeah, so that will be into my x cube when our x is greater than 0 and when our x is less than equals to 0. So this is my 0 where our lambda is positive and this is unknown. Okay, so let t is equals to the summation of xi and psi be the uniformly most powerful test of size alpha is equals to my 0.05 for testing null hypothesis h naught at our lambda equals to 1 against the alternative hypothesis, which is my h1 of my lambda greater than 1. So for any positive integer v, let the chi² v alpha denote the 1 minus alphath quantile of the chi² v distribution. Then the test psi rejects h naught, that means the null hypothesis, if and only if our t is equals to what. So we have to think about this question. So firstly we can see that we are tasked to solve the question. We analyze the hypothesis test for the gamma distribution with a given PDF and determine the correct rejection region for the most powerful test at significance level is equals to alpha, which is my 0.05. Okay, so the given information is this, where our so the PDF is my this, and where our lambda is greater than 0. So the null and alternative hypothesis are this. Test statistic is what? Test statistic, sorry, test statistic is my t equals to, yeah. So after that, what can be done here? So the distribution under h naught, my since my t is the sum of n equals to 6 independent gamma random variables, where shape parameter is my k equals to 1 and the rate parameter is what? Lambda equals to 1. So our t can be approximated by the chi² 4n. My n is 6 here, so that will be my chi² 24 under h naught. Yeah. So the significance level is what? Significance level is my alpha equals to 0.05 and we reject h naught if t falls in the rejection region. So the first step of the question is the most powerful test and the rejection region. By the name and person lemma, the most powerful test rejects h naught if t is my too large. T is too large as our lambda greater than 1 implies higher values of t. So the critical value is determined from the chi² distribution for a one-tailed test at level alpha. Let our chi², yeah, so this is what? V alpha. So my chi² V alpha will be 24 and that is my 0.95 because 1 minus alpha, yeah, which is my 0.95, be the 95th percentile of chi² 24 distribution. So the rejection region is what? So the rejection region is my t greater than chi², comma this. So the correct option of the question is what? So the test rejects H naught if our t is greater than this. So rewriting the inequality, we observe that our t is less than equals to, yeah, so 4 comma 0.95. So is the complement of the rejection region and thus not valid. So the correct option of this question is my option 3. Yeah, option 3 is telling us that. Hope you understood, guys. Thank you. This is a very easy question, I think. Thank you.